Hi, it's Dorothy Guinan with Scrapbooking Quebec. In this video, I'm going to share my Scrappy kit and plans for April 2024. Actually, I'm going to be showing you half the material today and the other half tomorrow when I unbox the Mercy Tiara Kit's April release called Adventure Awaits. Today's share includes one new to me collection, one picked through collection that I beef up with stash, and two page kits that I create with leftovers from March. So let's have a look at what I'm going to be playing with. And the first one is a full collection. It's from the Hip Kit Club. It's called Hip and Humble. It's from probably the spring of 2023. I bought it during one of the Hip Kit Club sales. I'm not sure exactly when that was. And what I'm showing you is the papers from the main kit. What I bought was the main kit along with the cardstock add-on. So I have one of each 12 papers that came in the main kit, and I selected this for April because of the color scheme. There's lots of blues and purples. It's kind of an everyday collection, but I find the cool color scheme with a lot of blues and purples really nice for me for winter. I haven't scrapbooked any winter photos yet, so I would really like to do some wintry photos and some everyday type photos in April. So I showed you the pattern papers, and now what I'm showing you is the cardstock add-on. So the cardstock add-on comes with 16 papers and two of 8 colors. And for me, I find that even though I'm a double page scrapbooker with Hip Kit Club material, if I have the cardstock add-on, I don't need another pattern paper add-on. As a matter of fact, it works better for me with the Hip Kit Club prints to have one set of the printed papers and one set of the cardstock add-on, because the cardstock add-on has 2 of each color. Now I'm showing you the embellishments that came in the main kit. So there are those navy puffy alphas, some chipboard frames. I'm showing you, these are like floral ephemera pieces, except they are fabric covered. Super, super beautiful. And here is the ephemera pack. Now I find the pieces quite small. They are very everyday type images, which is good, but I know myself, I will probably be digging into my tools. Now, to expand this kit, I did go through my stash and I pulled out a few other embellishment packs from past Hip Kit Club collections. I'm showing you there a chipboard collection. Not all of the colors go, but the peaches, the pinks, the purples, and the blues, it's all in that past chipboard collection, so that's going to work well. And this is from yet again another Hip Kit Club past collection, an ephemera pack, and it was from a springy one because in there are some Easter type images, so I thought that would work well as well, and it does follow the same color scheme. I also have those chipboard round flare pieces. That's from a past Pink Fresh Studio collection, but again, the colors seem to work well, so I'm going to throw that in the kit as well, just to give me a bit more options when it comes time to embellishing my pages. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to store the collection in a giant baggie, and I do this with the different collections in my monthly kits. Everything that specifically belongs to a collection that can fit flat in a baggie goes in a baggie. That makes cleanup at the end of the month really, really easy. But anything that can work for all the collections, like enamel dots or alphas or titles, that goes in a communal tray, and you will see that at the very end of this video. Now I'm moving on to another collection. Now, once again, it's a past Hip Kit Club collection. It was from 2021 called Big Chill. Now, I have use this collection, and what I have left from it are a bunch of embellishments and a bit of paper. So I'm showing you the paper I do have left from this, and you can see for some of them I have 2 of each, for others I have maybe 1.5 of each, and for some of them I just have scraps. Again, I've already played with this collection, but it has been kicking around my stash, and it is winter themed, and I do want to do some winter layouts this month. Also, the color scheme kind of looks nice with the collection that I just showed you, kind of those blues and purples. It all works well together. I'm showing you that I'm bringing in some paper from my stash. So I'm bringing in white cardstock, charcoal. I brought in some wood grain paper from Simple Stories. I have some vellum there because I love adding vellum to wintry pages. And that pale blue paper was from a past Hip Kit collection as well. Now I'm showing you the embellishments that I have, which is quite a few from this Big Chill collection. I have those puffy stickers with the snowflakes and trees. I have chipboard frames. I have two ephemera packs. One of them has tags and tabs, super, super cute. And this one here has different kind of icon type images on it. So once again, I did dig into my stash. I'm showing you I have a few more scraps of vellum with snowflakes on it. I brought in two alpha collections, one of them from a past Hip Kit Club collection in silver, and the other one is from Pink Fresh Studio. I'm showing you two more alphas, those blue and white ones. Those I bought also another time at the Hip Kit Club during one of their sales. And now I'm showing you some stickers. Those have been kicking around my stash for a long time. They are from Creative Memories, but they are super beautiful. And every winter I bring them out because there's no way I'm getting rid of them. I showed you their stickers there. I'm showing you I have some die-cut snowflakes, no doubt leftovers from a past layout. And now I'm showing you these laser cut borders that I have that are absolutely gorgeous. So now we are changing collections again. And basically what I'm about to show you are two page kits I created with leftovers from the material I was playing with last month. Basically, I have leftovers from the Scrapbooking Cards Today class, which was called Let's Create Together. And I also have leftovers from the Dream Big kit from Mercy Tierra Kits. So right now I'm showing you some papers. Those two are from Rainbow Avenue, and both of those collections were in the two kits that I just mentioned from the Let's Create Together class and the Dream Big kit from Mercy Tierra Kits. So I have those two papers there, the pink ledger paper along with that aqua colored paper. I am bringing in some wood grain paper from Simple Stories along with some white cardstock. I also have some mint cardstock from Simple Stories. Now, one of them came in one of those two kits from last month, and I pulled another one from my stash. So what I'm going for here is having a nice little kit to make a double page spread. So even though these were leftovers and I was kind of tired of seeing them last month, now that I'm kind of regrouping them together and adding a bit to my stash, I'm excited about using them suddenly. I'm showing you that cut apart sheet, that as well as from Rainbow Avenue. I thought maybe I could cut out some of those images for embellishing. I have a few alpha sets here, that one there with the copper and multicolored alphas, that is from the Rainbow Avenue collection. And those pink alphas I think are from Pebbles. They were in that Mercy Tierra Dream Big kit. That again is another embellishment pack that was from the Rainbow Avenue collection, those foam titles. I also have puffy stickers again from Rainbow Avenue, and I have these little felt bows as well from the very same collection. So I'm actually quite excited about this page kit, but I wasn't able to look at my leftovers with excitement at the end of the month. Again, by regrouping them together, suddenly I'm excited about using them. I'm showing you I threw in some enamel dots. Some of them are transparent. The other ones are kind of springy colors from Simple Stories. And now what I'm showing you is a handful of cut apart sheets. So basically, they are cut apart sheets along with tags, again, from one of the papers from, I think it was from the Simple Stories Fresh Air collection. All of that to say, what I had just showed you with the papers and the alphas and stickers, that is the page kit. This handful of cut aparts is going to go for this page kit along with the page kit I'm about to show you in a minute, because the colors in there will go with both of those page kits. So now I'm tossing that one aside and I'm going to show you page kit number 2, again, made with leftovers from my March material. My jumping off point for this page kit is this paper from the Simple Stories Fresh Air collection. It's green with little tiny white flowers. I am bringing in this orange plaid paper. Oh, I'm just showing you first that I have another scrap. So I have like a page and a half of that green paper. The flip side has butterflies. It's cute, but I do prefer the green paper. So that orange plaid paper as well is from the Fresh Air Simple Stories collection. It looks a bit strange together with the green. It doesn't look bad, but it actually looks better when I bring in the embellishments, and you will see that in a moment. First, you can see I brought in some white cardstock, and once again, I am bringing in wood grain paper from Simple Stories. Now, when I bring in the embellishments, first of all, I'm showing you these rub-ons, again, from the Simple Stories Fresh Air collection. And if you look at that banner there, the green and the orange are together. So I think the green and the orange paper are going to look nice together, or nicer together, when I bring in the embellishments. That is a 12 by 12 sticker sheet left over from March as well. I'm also showing you that last month I fussy cut a floral piece of paper, and this is what I have left over from it. So I'm throwing that in the page kit. Here are some alphas from my stash. Those are from Simple Stories. It's the hickory color, so it matches that wood grain that I already brought in. And once again, just like the past page kit I just showed you, I have some enamel dots along with a bunch of cut apart sheets and tags. So again, that bag with the cut apart sheets and tags, I'm going to use that for both page kits because some of the colors work with this page kit and some of the colors work with the previous page kit. So basically that's it. So just like the previous one, I'm excited about using those scraps, even though at the end of March I was really kind of tired of playing with that material. So it's really funny how you can just kind of regroup things, print them up, and get excited about using them again. So that is it, and as always, I'm really excited to be diving into new material. I really love selecting material for my monthly kits because it keeps me motivated to scrapbook, and even old stuff feels new again when I kind of beef it up with my stash. That's where I store my monthly kits in one of 2 Razcogs I keep behind my desk. And while talking about my April plans, you will see still shots for the collections I just shared. So this month, I hope to do 5 layout process videos on YouTube, a layout share for my power scrapping mini series that I did last month, and I will do a layout share at the end of the month with all of the projects I created with what I'm showing you here today and what I will be showing you tomorrow. So don't forget, tomorrow on YouTube, I will be unboxing my Adventure Awaits kit by Mercy Tiara Kits. As always, if you enjoyed this video, I would greatly appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, Scrapbooking Quebec, I would love it if you did. If you are a subscriber, thank you very, very much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow on YouTube. Bye-bye.